So today we're going to use these items to clean our carburetors for the Suzuki GSX-R 1100. I have a Vivor ultrasonic cleaner that I bought off eBay. I got a great deal on this, $99. And we're going to use Clean Flow Choke and Carb Clean. And along with that, we're going to use Dawn dish soap. The Dawn dish soap will be used in the ultrasonic cleaner. This we'll use separately to clean certain specific parts. So that's it. Okay, so we're going to talk about preparing what I'm using to clean these carbs. I'm using this. This is Dawn Advanced Power for tough food fighting. Ordinary dish soap. Bought it at Costco. The amount you see out of the bottle has done 2 carbs. So it's about an inch, a little less once you get further down in the bottle is what I use. So we're going to put that in. And then that way the water will dilute it. And so you can see how much is left there. That should do it. Now I take hot water. This is a 6-liter container. And I pour it in. Trying to mix it up as much as possible. Get it reasonably full so it can cover the carb. Top of the basket is what I aim for. 50 degrees centigrade or Celsius, and it's currently at 44. That's the temperature of the water I put in. So it'll begin heating it up to 50 degrees. 50 degrees is doing a good job on cleaning things. And it's set for 5 minutes, and I turn it on and off. So let's drop everything into the tray. Pull the tray out. Carb. Fully submerged. This and this. Okay, in you go. So everything is in the in here, already soaking in the fluid. It's currently at 44 degrees, and we're going to hit it with about a minute's worth of ultrasonic just to loosen off the crud that's on there. So let's see. Yeah, it's starting to clean it up. This one is particularly dirty, but it is starting to work on it, so it's a good sign. Down, this down. So about a minute's worth. Using this method is obviously quite a bit of water, so I use paper towel. Keep things kind of under control here. Let's pull it out and have a look at it. So this isn't the primary cleaning. This is just enough to get things started on. These I'm going to leave in. The needle jet, one of the needle jets is in there. That can stay in there for now. So the carb's back in the cleaner. We got the rubbers off. They'll get a quick zap in the cleaner as well. This could probably go in. This is in quite good condition. Look at the crunch on the outside. Paint will fix this. They can go in there as well. Don't want to touch the rubber. And have a look at this. There it is. Voila. So what we have here is the pilot jet. Corrosion on it. And this will clean up nicely. This one's in good shape, so we should be able to reuse this. And that corrosion that you see on that little groove right there, that's why it wasn't coming out. So that'll go in for cleaning. So that now opens up this tube is completely empty. and the fluid can get in to clean it. We've zapped it a couple times, so we're going to give this last jet in here another try. See how tight it is. Still tight. So we'll let it get a bit more. And it's coming, it's starting to clean up a little bit. Floats aren't taking on any water, which is a good sign. And so we're going back into the fluid again for a bit more time. So this is already cleaning up nicely. You can see here the dirt that's there is coming off. The cleaner's doing a good job. So I take this part here and I give it a scrub with a toothbrush. And this helps loosen that green sludge and get it cleaned out, especially in these crevices. The ultrasonic cleaner will do a good job of cleaning that. Give a bit of a scrub on the outside too. This helps just to remove any surface crud and back in the cleaner. Let's take a look at our noodle jet. Another 30 seconds. Okay, so let's have a look, see. Still tight. Doesn't want to come out yet. And give it a good scrub. Good idea to rotate this. Give it a scrub. Fair bit of dirt in there. Some of this dirt's caked on. It's been on a long time. So a little bit of scrubbing won't hurt. Vacuum jet. Let's put that back in there. So, using a hammer and a small punch, I drove the pin out that was holding the float. And the floats, you can see them there, they're great shape. They look good. So I'm going to put these. This, I think, is done. It's pretty much come up nice and clean. This part right here, the diaphragm, all the residual, let's move it here where you can see it. You can see it's in great shape. Super clean now. Super clean. It's in great shape. All the, right along the bottom here was some varnish and residual gunk. It's all gone. A little bit of scrubbing with the toothbrush, got rid of it, and it's looking super shiny now. Clean and shiny. Rubber feels good. Pliable, still good. I think we can probably safely reuse these. So they feel pretty good. So that's, I think this part is good. I'm going to take it out, rinse it. There we go. Let's try to wipe as much of this off as possible. The rubber has come up. It looks new. This rubber now looks basically brand new. It looks beautiful. The whole unit cleaned up nicely. The rubber feels clean. New, it looks shiny, looks new. The part looks actually like new. A little bit of wear from the slide action. Obviously, these are flat slides. So, but that's looking really good. The needle goes in there. It is right here. You can see the wear areas on it. There's a little bit of wear. They feel smooth. There's no grooving on it. So it's looking pretty good, pretty clean for the most part. These are the small parts, and they're coming up fairly clean. I don't know if you can see it or not, but they're cleaning up nicely. A little bit of grunge still on the one jet. Rubbers can come out. This can go back in, and they can all go back in for a little bit longer yet. So the rubbers you only clean in the ultrasonic cleaner, not in the carb cleaning fluid. We are going to be using Clean Flow choke and carb cleaner. It comes in a can like this. It's yellow with a black top, and it's readily available everywhere. So there it is, there's the carb. So for reference, that's the old carb, number 4, that's going to be done next. And you can see the difference in the finish, how clean it is. Look at the difference. So quite a difference here. A little bit of scrubbing right there, I think. I think we're just about done. A little bit of stuff in there. Give that a bit of a mechanical scrub. There we are. And this has come out really nicely, considering it is 1988, so this is a 32-year-old carburetor, and it's aged very well. Kudos to Suzuki for making a quality piece, or Mikuni. These are made by Mikuni. So here's the choke, and as you can see, it's come up nice and clean. I've just rinsed it, and it looks amazing. When cleaning the small parts, I recommend putting them in a jar in a slightly stronger solution and then putting them in the ultrasonic cleaner. If this doesn't work, you can then clean them in the jar using the carb cleaning fluid. Do not put this in the ultrasonic cleaner, as a volatile fluid. The rubber does not belong in the carb cleaner fluid either, because it will make it too soft. Needles come up nice and clean. Spring, nice and clean. Choke looks amazing, almost looks new. It's come up nicely. This piece, again, really nice, clean inside. So that's come up really well. So everything's come up really clean, the jets are clean, everything's good. So I'm very happy with that. So that can be allowed to dry. Thank you for watching. I hope that you found this carb cleaning video helpful. Stay tuned. In the next episode, we will fully assemble one complete carb, and we'll do it step by step. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks again for watching.